my gosh, really? Oh my goodness. And then what happened? What did you do at Grandma's today? What'd you do at Grandma's? Oh, yeah? Oh, wow. That sounds like fun. Was the other baby there? Was your friend there? Was she there? Oh, she wasn't there? It was just you? Wow. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow, okay. That's a great story, Bubba. Okay. Say, love you. Bye-bye. Oh, okay. You're not done? Okay, go ahead. Oh my goodness. Oh, gosh. Okay, say bye-bye. Oh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Bye, honey. Okay, say bye-bye.